Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to draw realistic hairs very easily. We will use indenting technique for this purpose. If you don't know about indenting technique, let me show you. Take a blank pen and draw lines using a little pressure on paper, like this. Now, take a charcoal pencil and start shading above those lines. You will see the white lines pop up. Using the same technique, we will add highlights and white hairs. Draw random strokes with a blank pen in the direction of highlights according to reference image. Take a charcoal pencil and start shading, following the direction of hairs and highlights according to the reference image, with a little pressure in the beginning. Now, add more pressure and finish the darker areas according to the reference image. Take a makeup brush and start blending the charcoal slowly with a little pressure. You can buy a makeup brush like this from the local market. Link of all materials in description. Now, take a Tombow Mono 0 eraser and start adding highlights like this. With a charcoal pencil, add the darker areas again. Add highlights again with the Tombow Mono eraser and repeat the process until we get the desired result. Draw the extra fine hairs, as you can see, with a sharp charcoal pencil.
Rejoice 'cause they haven't found you yet. 'Cause everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin. With nothing left to
We are good to go now. I hope this tutorial helped you. In part 2, we will learn to shade smooth skin. Like and subscribe for more amazing content.